Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reading Workshop. I hope you've been enjoying your mystery books. You've been reading books, trying to learn about the missing dog or the stolen diamonds. But I have a little bit of a confession to make, which is that you haven't just been learning about the dog that was missing or the diamonds that have been stolen. You haven't just been thinking about one particular book. This whole time, you've actually been growing knowledge about how mystery books tend to go, about how this genre tends to go. And that knowledge is so powerful because when you know about how books tend to go, or when you know about how a particular genre tends to go, you read all future books in that genre looking for really particular things. So let's pause and just make sure we have that knowledge. Think to yourself, well, I've learned a lot about mysteries. How do mystery books tend to go? Mystery books tend to have most mystery books, or sometimes mystery books. Just these across your fingers. Maybe you thought things like mystery books always have detectives, or sometimes a mystery book has a witness, sometimes there is no witness to the crime. Sometimes a mystery book has a crime, and sometimes there is nothing that's been stolen, something's just been missing. Or a lot of times, mysteries have detectives and co detectives. A lot of times, the detective has somebody to talk to. Use this knowledge to help you think about all future mystery books. So, readers, let's make a list. What should a mystery reader look for at the beginning of a book? Maybe things like, what is the problem? Who is the crime solver? What's he or she like? Does he or she have a sidekick or co detectives? All right, think about the middle of mystery books. How do they tend to go? What should a mystery reader look for in the middle of a mystery? Maybe things like, who seems to be a suspect? Where's the evidence? What are some of the important clues? Was there a witness? Where does it show this? What motive does each suspect have? Where does it show this? What opportunity does each suspect have? Where does it show this? Okay, think about the end of a mystery book. What should a mystery reader look for at the end of a mystery reading? Maybe a mystery reader at the end of a book should look for, what hints are there to the solution? And where is the solution outright said? Knowing how mystery books tend to go in the beginning, in the middle, in the end, help us to know what we should be looking for and thinking about. So as you think about your work plan today, you could, of course, be sketching or writing or talking as a way to hold on to your thinking and to document your ideas. But also, part of your work plan should reflect where you are in the book. So if you're at the start of a new book, these could be some questions to think about. Or if you're in the middle of the book, those could be some questions to think about. Or at the end of a book, you might have different questions to think about. Make sure your work plan is also reflective of where you are in your books. All right, readers, off you go. Happy crime solving.